everyone. Today I'm creating a smoothie today with kiwis, avocados, and mangoes, and almond milk, and some chia seeds. It's an interesting blend. This came up with that a few years ago. So here we add the milk. I'm gonna milk like this. This is about enough. About 2.5 cups. Or some 100 milliliters. Then we add the kiwis, which is about 200 grams here. With them here. Then come the mangoes. Add them here. The mangoes make it kind of sweet and tasty a little bit. Then you have the avocados. These make it kind of creamy. We'll see with them here. Then if you want a little more sweetness, if you like, you can add honey, a little bit of honey. That's after you add the chia seeds. Right here, add them here, like this. This is 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. You don't really add the ice because there's plenty of frozen ingredients here. So you add a little bit of honey if you want. Just a little bit. And you start to blender for about 2 minutes. Now this, it gives you a lot of energy from the avocados. Is very good. It also gives you a lot of sweetness from the mangoes, and when you mix it with the kiwi. It gives you a lot of antioxidants. And it's nice and creamy with the avocados. So we're gonna taste it. It's very creamy, a little thick, but it's very creamy and it tastes very good. An excellent smoothie for the first thing in the morning. So I brought this because the other drum was breaking, so I brought this. See, I got it here. And there you go. Another perfect breakfast smoothie. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe if you like it. Thank you.